Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So many of you have requested me to share the LLM syllabus of Jamia Millia Islamia LLM entrance examination, which is to be held in the year 2021. So I'm just giving you a rough idea about what the syllabus, what are the possibilities of the subjects which are expected for this year examination. So before starting this session, like always, I would request all of you to kindly like and subscribe the channel, because many of you do watch my videos but never subscribe to it. Guys, please do this a small favor, because I am presenting such interesting videos, such valuable videos to you, and which is not available anywhere on YouTube, because I am actually giving you the preparation in the easiest way and the smartest way. So now let me tell you, like, I am shooting in the Tis Hazari courts. So court is closed here, so I have come here for some matter, and fortunately I have got the dates. So let us come to the point. So see, this is a rough idea, this is just a suggestive video. So there may be discrepancies, and like many of you have told me, I have also inquired from other people to check the website of Jamia to know more about the syllabus, but even I have also checked it. They have not uploaded for the session 2021 to 2022. They have only uploaded the session from 2020 to 2021, which the syllabus of which is not available. So let me tell you, like, whatever questions I have managed to access. So like, I have already uploaded a solved paper of LLM entrance examination. This is a regular course, not self-finance course. So I have got the question paper, and that the question paper is containing only 140 questions. I have already discussed the answers with you. And also if I talk about the previous year question paper before 2020, so the total number of marks were 200, and 140 is the objective type questions, are the objective type questions, and 60 marks is awarded for subjective questions. But the last year paper which I managed to access, I didn't find any subjective part in that paper. So and also there are many variations in the syllabus if I talk about the previous year one, because in the year 2016 I have uploaded the previous year question paper of 2016 till 2020. In the year of 2016 there were no section of English. Then in the year 2017 and 2018 continuously we have seen the questions of English which has been given in part A of the objective question paper set. And then there are questions relating to IPR, labor law, very important, and also from constitution, CPC, CRPC, IPC, and so these are the main topics that you need to focus, and also questions relating to general awareness, current affairs. So you need to prepare for that, because we are not sure what kind of questions can be asked, and there are only less number of materials available in the market, and so many of you have requested me to do a video on that. So I'm just giving you a rough idea, so what you shall prepare on it. Because see, in the year of 2020 I'm not sure whether the question paper I have is complete or incomplete, but it has only 140 questions, and I'm not sure about whether the subjective part has been asked or not. So may or may not subjective questions may be asked, so be prepared on that. Subjective questions are not very tough. They are actually there are books available on judiciary mails. You can also prepare subjective questions from those books, because those are actually the what can you say, are ready made for your preparation. And also the subjects that you need to prepare is, let me tell you, although English section was not asked in the previous year question paper, but do prepare for that. We are not sure, maybe in their syllabus, maybe in their website they will upload the syllabus for the session 2021 to 2022. So keep checking on their website. So maybe this week or probably in the next week, because the last date to submit the application form is 30th of June. So you have enough time for that. And I have also came to know that like they are also extending their dates, but whatever, I'm just speaking about the first notification. According to the first notification, the last date of submitting the forms is 30th of June. So let us talk about the syllabus. So first you need to prepare about the English, although it is not asked in the previous year paper, but do prepare for that because we are not sure what kind of questions can be asked this year. And then constitution law, then current affairs, very important. You need to prepare for that. Current affairs in questions like questions relating to IPR and questions relating to anything which is of national importance, any amendments, any enactments, and any decisions, any policy. So these are the kind of questions which are very, very important. And then labor law, do not miss labor law. Even if they ask questions at least 2 or 3, but still it plays a very important role for gaining marks, so you shall not miss that part. And then IPR, again very, very important. And you can also prepare from company law, then IPC, CRPC, evidence. So these 3 subjects are connected with each other, so these 3 subjects you shall prepare for any examination. And then family law, Hindu law. In Hindu law you shall better prepare for you shall give much preference to Hindu Succession Act or Indian Succession Act, because these are the topics which are examiners favorite one, and mostly the questions for LLM are set from these subjects only: Hindu Succession Act and Indian Succession Act, and also Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Adoption and Minority Act. This is also very, very important. Hindu Adoption and Minority Act, again very important. And then what are the subjects left? And then Muslim law, very important, because you are preparing for Jamia, so you shall be having knowledge about Muslim law. And so these are the subjects of family law. And then we have done with constitution. Then CPC again very important topic. You also need to prepare very well from the topic of CPC. Then Transfer of Property Act, Specific Relief Act, and Indian Limitation Act. All these 2 acts are very, very important. So generally we miss on this topic because many people just consider these are the minor acts. No, but nowadays questions from these topics have become very, very relevant, so you need to prepare on that. And so I have already given you all the kinds of questions, all the kinds of subjects that are anticipated for this year exam. So I hope you all have understood my point. And first of all, this video is totally suggestive in nature. I am not claiming anything that these questions will be asked from this area. I am just giving my opinion based on the analysis of the previous year question paper. And I hope you all have liked it. And please, people, do subscribe to our channel, because every day we are posting new videos relating relevant for your exams, and these materials are not available anywhere. So please, people, please subscribe us and also give us a big thumbs up. Thank you.